What is going on, guys? It is your boy Tyler, and we are back at it again. And as you guys do know, if you're on this channel, hopefully you do know, but NIO is my largest position, so it did look very great today. They're up 9.63% for regular trading, and they are currently up 0.14% after hours. So it does look like this momentum is continuing into after hours. Now, with that being said, there's some news we have to go over, as well as some technical analysis and why NIO stock popped today. So there's a bunch of things we're going to take a look in this video, especially the Ortez data as well, because we had quite a few shorts cover their positions. Not saying this is a short squeeze by any means necessary, but we did have some shorts cover their positions. So with that being said, make sure to tap, tickle, touch, or smash the like button and make it turn blue, as well as subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be a part of my buy and sell alerts, link down below in the description, as well as get up to $70 in whatever free stock of your choosing using the link for public. Now, I do appreciate you guys that went ahead and did that. Now, let's get into what is going on with NIO today. And the reason they popped so much, and they also did give guidance and their May delivery numbers, which we'll go into that in a second, but that is not why NIO is up. So NIO May deliveries cumulative, let me find it. NIO reported May deliveries of 6,711 vehicles, representing a 95.3% year-over-year increase. However, it fell 5.5% from the 7,102 vehicles delivered in April. So it actually went down month over month, but NIO reiterated its second quarter delivery guidance of 21 to 22,000 vehicles to meet the top end of the guidance. NIO may have to deliver 8,178 vehicles in June. It means the company has to break the previous monthly record set in January, when it delivered 7,225 vehicles. They basically go on to say that it was because of the semiconductor shortage, but they do have plans and actually some of their supply constraints as well. Not even just the chip shortages, some of that too, but they did reiterate that they will be able to make up for the lost ground in June. So investors did like them at least saying that and reiterating guidance, because that is huge right now. But the main reason they popped is because Citibank upgrades Neo to a buy. Citi analyst Jeff Chung upgraded NIO from neutral to buy with a price target of $58.30 from $57.60. The analyst comments are, in quotes, "We sense a strong demand recovery from late April 21st in China NEV after Shanghai auto shows, and expects NIO's monthly new order volumes in May to June to be 20 to 30% higher than the average monthly level in Q4 2020 peak season. After the recent stock price correction from the peak in Q2 2020, we believe this is a good re-entry point for any long-term investors. Given the ongoing re-rating catalyst, for context, see our downgrade vote. We raised our 2021 end of year, 2022 and 2023 sales volume to 90K deliveries this year, 155K in 22, and 225K in 2023. Following China white goods and smartphone evolutionary trend, we expect NIO to further gain market share from other JV brands with slower than expected ramp up pace in China." So looks pretty good there, and that is the main reason why NIO stock did pop so much. And like I said in the beginning, I am a huge investor in NIO. It is the biggest position in my whole entire portfolio, currently at 13.56%. I am still down 12.14%, but we did make up, like I said, 9.66% today. I am a big holder in options as well, up $951 today, 32.25%, still down $2,000, 33.89%, but I make sure to get the 2023 contracts. Now, let's get into some of the Ortez data, and taking a look at this, I'll just refresh the page to get the latest. And today's changes as far as the short interest in NIO, we have return shares of 1.07 million, borrowed shares of 238.3 thousand. So that's why we did get a stability of a rise today. You know, we kind of just kept rising all day. We didn't see any major sell-offs or really any volatility after about noon. So I do think that is why a lot of shares were returned, and that just means bought back by a lot of short sellers, implying that we could be seeing a move up right now. This is not a short squeeze or anything like that, but the short interest alone did go down 1.87%. And totally, if you include shares that were sold short and return shares, we had 831.42 thousand shares that were bought today. Also, taking a look at the short interest of NIO, it is very, very low. The estimated, the free float on loan is 3.47% as of 7 days ago. It is currently 3.36%. That is down 3.17% over the past 3 days. And as we see from the exchange reported short interest, May 14th, we had 75.17 million shares that were sold short, and currently we have 44.55 million shares that are sold short. That is a change even from the last days of negative 3.19%. So shorts are obviously getting out of their positions, and the fact that we are at around 3% short interest, that just shows a very bullish sentiment. People don't want to short NIO. They think it's going higher, because if you didn't think it was going higher, you would obviously short it. So all does look there. The utilization 7 days ago was at 13.03%. Now it is at 11.81%, and that is essentially out of the total number of shares that institutions are willing to lend out. Only 11.81% of those are actually lent out. So all does look good here. Nothing too crazy. We have a very low short interest. But now let's take a look at the technical analysis. NIO, as far as the technicals, let me pull it out to 30 minutes. Yeah, we completely broke out today. We're above our 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average on some really good volume today, especially in the first 30 minutes. We've seen some incredible volume, and that is really why we held up so well today. As we can see on the MACD, we are bullish, and there was a huge spread and huge gap between the two. Now we're starting to come back together, but I don't expect to go back bearish on the MACD for quite a while. It's right here. We haven't had inflows like this in a long time, besides when we bounced off the bottom at $30.71. So it does look very good. A nice consistent uptrend. As of right now, do a trend line from the bottom at May 24th to now, and it definitely looks really good. If we do come down, it'll probably be down back to the trend line at about $40, and that's also where our 50-day moving average is at $39.15. So I do think if we are going to see a retracement, it is back down to probably about $39. I don't see us going any lower than that, but overall, I do expect a consolidation period, obviously, after a 10% rally. We could be flat tomorrow, but I do expect some kind of consolidation here before we do leg up. And our next level of resistance is going to be $43 per share. If we break that, then our next resistance after that is going to be about $45, and then our next is $50. So I do expect us to go to about $45 today. We just look very, very bullish here, and whenever you get these upgrades from analysts or banks or anybody really that follows a stock like this and sets price targets, it seems to have a multi-day run up. And just given the fact we have sold off so hard on NIO, from about $67 from our high down to $30, that was a sell off of about 55%. Now you can see, pulling out to the chart, it's really just minuscule bounce today compared to the sell-off that we have seen. So $50, when you really do pull it out to here, about 45 looks reasonable, that I do see us bouncing to soon. Like I said, retracement would be to about the $39 mark. That is what I would expect. It's kind of a coin flip as to which way it'll go. So that is the news, the technical analysis, why NIO popped today, as well as I did show you guys my position and the short interest. So if you guys got anything out of the video, make sure to hit that like button, as well as comment down below what's your opinion on NIO, what is your price targets, let me know. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and check out the links down below in the description. With that being said, you guys be careful out there. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't think I said that in the beginning, but I'm not a financial advisor. Come to your own conclusions. I am just sharing the facts that I'm finding about NIO that I already do on a regular basis. So until next time, be prepared, never scared. I will see you later. Peace out.